So into the Toshiba VFD, there is an error EEP1, EEPROM fault 1. Okay, so it means like EEPROM fault 1 occurs when the data write to ASD EEPROM fails. Okay, so what ASD is writing data, ASD EEPROM, like VFD, what is writing data into the HD PROM, so that is failing. So what you need to do, like clearing to this, what you need to do, you just can try to repower the VFD, like power off the VFD and then power on the VFD. Okay, if again same error, so in that case major chances are that you will need to be repair that VFD. Okay, so you need to send to your supplier. Okay, because of that EEPROM is inside of the control card of the VFD. So that is not that kind of part like fan or any display and any buttons. So that could be easily changed. So in that case, what we need the assistant of Toshiba team. What they will do, they will maybe repair that card or maybe will like replace that card. So majorly there are more chances that it will be replaced. But if you are having a good luck, so there are chances that it could be repaired also, but very rare chance. So if your problem is still not resolved, what you need to do, you need to take membership of my channel and then you can write a mail to us on your mail ID incasesales1@gmail.com. So on behalf of that your inputs, I will support you and I will help you to resolve your these issues.